Looking for some genuine JDM hotness for your WRX or STI? Check out this STI carbon fiber rear spoiler. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the JDM STI carbon fiber rear trunk spoiler specific for the 15 plus WRX and STI. Got the box right here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So right on top, of course, you have, well, instructions here that are all gonna be in Japanese. So that's not gonna be a whole lot of use to us, but this is pretty easy to install. And if you don't have the factory spoiler on the car already, you can use this template, which will tell you exactly where to drill, because it does come with the hardware as well. So let's just go ahead and take the actual spoiler out of the box, and we're going to set this off to the side. Now this comes incredibly well packaged, and for good reason, just because this is one of the most beautiful pieces I have ever seen. Simply stunning. This is 100% carbon fiber through and through. It does come with double-sided sticky tape on the back, and of course your nutserts for the actual hardware that it's included with. I love the attention to detail, you know, all the little foam padding the STI puts on there, even the little cutout here for your rear badge. This is the OEM spoiler just in 100% carbon fiber. So if you already have the rear factory spoiler on the WRX, you can take that off and install this one. I don't believe this will work with the STI rear wing. I don't think. I'm almost positive it won't. And if your WRX or STI doesn't have a spoiler or a wing, you just have to drill some holes and to install this, but that's pretty easy. But this is a beautiful piece. When I say it's 100% carbon fiber, I mean it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but even underneath this double-sided sticky tape, you have carbon fiber. So it's not like they're using fiberglass just with a carbon fiber overlay. No, this is 100% carbon fiber through and through. And it is a functional aero piece, being that it is a spoiler. The whole point of it is to spoil the airflow going over the back of the car, and it helps remove those big pockets of drag. So it will increase downforce slightly and decrease drag as well. So the effects of the spoiler are definitely there. Plus, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see that when I spin it, but the carbon fiber weave is perfect on these, as you would expect from STI. But I just can't get over how absolutely beautiful this is. And of course it does come with a clear coat on it to help prevent against discoloration, help prevent against UV rays, that kind of stuff. And I think this would look great on any color of WRX or STI. I don't think you could find a bad color combo for this. And it is a genuine, beautiful piece. Definitely very cool. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.